Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about the land feature. So in that we learned hills, mountain, plains, forest and desert. So let me ask some questions, then I will continue the class. How the forests are useful to us? Tell me children, how the trees and plants are useful to us? What are the things they give us? Yes, start children. Yes, first it brings rain. You know children, plants brings rain. Then it gives us vegetables, fruits. Yes, then we pollute the air. We people pollute the air and our plants friends struggle to keep it clean. They keep the air pure and clean as they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen which we need for a healthy life, which we breathe gas, that is a oxygen. So next point, what is that children? Tell me. Yes, they gives us shade and keep the place very cool. Birds and animals also depend on plants for food and homes. It gives us wood. With that wood we will make the numbers of things children, furniture. Carpenter make the numbers of things with a table, chair, cupboard, door, window, etc. And children, these are the use of plants, trees and forest. So forest are area where tree grows very close together, where it's grow very close together, the leaves touching each other. It is quite dark. You know, it is quite dark in forest when the trees are more, when the leaves are touching. So, when you go in the forest, you can see it is a very dark. You know, children. So, next question. Name 5 animals that live in forest. Tell me children, which animals live in forest? Yes, tiger, leopard, good, then deer, fox, zebra, giraffe, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, etc. Very good. So these all animals are live in forest. You know children, so those are called the which animals? Wild animals which live in the forest, which live in jungle. Yes. So some area are very dry and very hot. So that area is called which area? Yes, it's called a desert. Name an animal that is found in sandy desert. Tell me children, which animals you can found in the sandy desert? Yes, very good. Camel. Camel can survive without water for many days. It keeps water in its hump. Clear children? So what kind of plants grow in desert? Yes, cactus, date palms. The plants grow in the desert. Yeah, no children. So these are the things we have discussed in the previous class. So we finished about the earth, water bodies, land feature. So what the man done? Man has changed the face of the earth. Man has changed the face of earth. Why? Why the change? Why the man changed the face of the earth? So today we are going to discuss about what are the changes we can see on the earth. So man has you all. So today children, we are going to discuss about how the man changed the face of the earth and why change. What are the differences we can see? Yes. So what the man done here? Man built the numbers of houses. Man built the numbers of houses. Village we can see, city we can see, town we can see. You know what they done? They constructed the numbers of cities. They built, first point is what? They built the cities, town, villages. You know children? Man built cities, town and villages. How they build? First starting only I said the earth. What I said starting? Earth. That is a 72% we can see the water only. The large portion is covered with the water and the remaining we can see the land. So in that land we can see the hills, mountain, plains, forest and desert. So this all coming in this 30% only. Then children, what the man done here? He constructed he built the cities, town, village in the plain or we say the flat land. He used the flat land to build the numbers of cities, town and villages. Yeah, children. And he also constructed the bridges. Again, what is that? He also constructed the bridges. So there is a large portion is water only. So to cross that river, what the man done here? He constructed the bridges to cross the river. Yeah, the children. So numbers of bridges, bridge we can see. Why they made this bridge? To cross that river, to cross that sea, lake. Clear children? So they built the bridges. So again, next what they done? What they done? They also make the tracks. They make the railway tracks. Why the railway tracks, children? Why the railway tracks, tell me? Yes, to go from one city to another city or to move from one place to another place. What the man done? They constructed the railway track. Clear children? So to do this all the things, to build the cities, town, village, to make the bridges, to make the railway tracks, what the man done here? What they done? What the man done? Tell me. Yes. For this, to build, to construct, the man cut down the numbers of trees. What the man done? He cuts the numbers of trees. Why? To construct, to build these houses and village, he cut down the numbers of trees. When after cutting the trees, you can see that area will become the flat, empty, plain. You know, when you cut the trees, that land becomes the flat, empty land. So on that land, what the man done? He constructed he built the number of houses, buildings we can see. Yeah, no children? He also built the railway tracks after cutting the trees. Constructed the railway tracks to move from one place to another place. See here, how many things he done? How many things he done after cut down the numbers of trees? He built the houses, buildings, cities, village, and finally he also built the railway track. So, trees he cut for to build the cities and town. And what about the railway tracks? To construct the railway tracks, what he done? Tell me children, what he done? He flattened the hills. What he done? He flattened. He destroyed by using the bombs and all. He destroyed this land and he flattened. When it is destroyed, this all the hills, that area will become flat. So that area he used to construct the railway track. Clear children? Now here you can see. To move the railway, he flattened the hills. When you are traveling in train, many times you can see one side there is a forest and another side you can see the small hills. You know? And in between, in middle, the train is moving. In middle, the train is moving. So by seeing that we will get the idea. What the man done? Man here flattened the hills and then he constructed or he made the railway tracks. Clear children? Sometimes we can see that one side is the hills and it is a very narrow place. You can see very narrow place where the train is moving. You know? And the other side you can see the deep forest. You can see the deep forest. And then sometimes we can see the train is moving on the bridge. You can see the train is moving on the bridge. How it is possible? Because all the things here done by man only. See the thing. What they done? First they cut the trees. They made that land very flat. They made that land very plain. And then they built the cities, town and villages here. To make the railway tracks, they flattened the hills. Okay children. The next, they cut the tunnels through the mountains. They cut the tunnels also through the mountains. Sometimes when you journey, when traveling in the train, you will get the tunnels. Gufa is in a full black. Yeah. What they made the tunnels. See how the man, they made the tunnels where in the mountains to move the train. Clear children? So cut tunnels through the mountain. So numbers of things here the man done. But on the earth, what is there? On the mountains, hills. Man what done? They use this mountain land area to make the train tracks. They flattened, they destroyed, they made the tunnels, gufa, for all the things to move the train. Children, to move the train from that place. Clear? They made the road also. They made the roads to move the vehicles on the road. If you see the earth, you can find only the hills, plains, mountains, rocks, sand, everything. But man, what the man done? They made the numbers. They constructed, they built the numbers of things. They constructed the road also on that land to move the vehicles, to run the vehicles on the road. Children? So I will here show the image just to see how they built the cities and towns, how they made the railway tracks and all the things. So here you can see they cut down the trees. See here, they cut down the trees and they build the cities, town, village. You can see here that you can find the houses. Yes, then see. This is what, it's a road to move the vehicles, to run the vehicles on road. The next you can see, See how they cut the tunnels through the mountains. They made the road. They made that hills flat they made to build and construct the road, bridges, railway tracks. Just you can see this image. See that mountain, how that road. See how they cut the mountains. See here, the road you can see. Why we made this all the things, children? Why we made this all the things? Some of this is necessary to live comfortably. So this man done for themselves to lead comfortable life. Yeah, no, children? But now what we have become very greedy. Greedy means what? Lalchi. We have become very greedy. We want more and more. We want more and more. So nowadays we can see there is no trees only. Because what we done, everything we destroyed. We cut down the numbers of trees. Again we are constructing, we are building the big bungalow, buildings. Yeah, no? So why? We want more money, we want more comfort. So again we are cutting the trees and we are building, we are constructing the numbers of houses, buildings, bungalows, road, railway tracks. Yeah, children? So for that sake what we are doing? We are destroying the earth only. Yeah, children? We are destroying our earth and polluting it. We are destroying and polluting it. How we are polluting? If you cut the trees, then what will happen, children? Tell me. First of all, we won't get the rain. Next, we won't get the fresh air to breathe. We won't get the clean and neat environment. Yes, because of cutting the trees. And next thing is what? We are constructing the numbers of roads. While cutting the trees, we are constructing the numbers of road and we are inventing the numbers of vehicles. That vehicles, what they leave? They leave the dangerous smoke. And that smoke it's mixed in the atmosphere. Then how it's clean? It won't clean only because already we are destroyed the trees. We are cut down the trees. Then how it's clean up? It won't clean up. So we are the responsible to destroy our earth and to pollute it. We are the destroyers. Clear? We are the main cause. We are the main cause to destroy our earth. So numbers of things we don't see. That is the lots of differences we can see on the earth. First, our earth only it is the water bodies and the land and the forest. Now we can see the forest is become very less and numbers of houses, bungalows, buildings, railway track, this, numbers of things we can see. Yeah, no, children? So we are losing the many plants. We are losing the many plants, birds, animals because of this only. If you cut the trees, forest, then where the animals will go? Where they should live? Where the bird will make the nest? So we are losing this all the things. We are losing the plants by cutting, by destroying the forest. We are also losing the birds and animals. We know that birds and animals they live in the forest only. If you destroy their house, where they have to go? No way only. So we are losing by cutting the trees. We are losing numbers of things. We are losing the plants, birds and animals because of these only. Clear, children? Now you understand how the man has changed the face of the earth, how it is changed to build the cities, town, village and the railway tracks. For this he cuts down the trees, flatten the hills. We flatten the hills and then cuts tunnels through the mountains. So these are the changes the man had done. These are the changes man has done. So we say that earth face is change only. Clear, children? So we can see on the earth there are the numbers of countries are there. Yes or no? There are the numbers of countries are there on the earth. So children, we have only one earth. We have only one earth. So let us look after it. We should not destroy, we should not cut any trees and plants. We should not destroy any forest area because it helps us lots. It gives us numbers of things. If there is tree and plants on the earth, then only we can survive. Because to lead a life, to live on the earth, we need the oxygen, and it gets from the trees and plants only. Clear, children? The next we'll see there are the many countries on the earth. Yeah, children, there are the many countries on our earth. You can see this image, then you will understand. So here, children, you can see there are the many countries on the earth. You know? So there are the many countries on our earth. We may look different. All the countries, people look different only. Yeah, children, if you see the India, it looks different. When you see the America, Switzerland, Goa, numbers of countries, take the other countries and compare to you, it looks very different. Yeah, children, it is different in the talk, whatever we speak. We speak Kannada, Marathi, and if you go to the other state and country, they speak the other language, Spanish, Japanese, British, English, yeah, no? So they speak the other languages, yes or no? But the talking way also different. Then the next you can see the dress up, whatever the dress they will wear, it's also different only. We will wear the sari. If you go to the other state, they will wear the chudidar. If again you go to the Rajasthan, they will wear the ghagra. If you go to the Kerala, they will wear the sari. So like that. Other country, if you go to the America and the Switzerland, there again the dressing style is change only. So by seeing the dressing style also, they looks different. Yeah, no, children, dresses also different, but we all are human beings, but we all are same only. Change is what? The change is the color, then talks in a different languages. The next, the dress they will wear, that also it's a very different, but we all are same only, but we all are human beings. We do have the 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, 1 nose, and they also have the same thing only. But thing is what? The changing is the languages, dresses and colors. Yeah, the children. So how many countries are there on our earth? It is the different from each other. Human beings are same only, but the way they talk, they dress, the color, it is a different only. Clear, children? So here I will show some images of the different kinds of the peoples. There are the many countries on our earth. Just you can see children, there are the many countries on our earth. Just you can see, we may look different. We may look different means what? See the color. Some are black, some are white, some are more white. You know, we may look different but talk different, languages, dress differently. See the different dress style you can see. The dress style also it is a change only. But we are all human beings. But we all are human beings. Yani children, we all are created by God. We must respect to the each other. Yes, we must share the gifts of the earth. Whatever God is given on the earth, water, air, river, everything we have to share. That is a gift from the God. We have to share that gifts. We must live in peace. So children, we must live in peace. In India, you can see there are the 28 states. All the states, different dressing style, different language. They look different only. But we all are human beings. They celebrate the different festivals. We celebrate the different festivals. So like that is the difference we can see in India only. Clear children, 28 states, different in languages, different in dressing style, in the colors also. But here children, we have to respect all the people. We should not only respect of Karnataka people, we should respect to the other state, other country peoples also. Clear children, we should respect to each other. And whatever God is created on this earth, whatever God given the gift on the earth, that is a tree, river, water, mount, everything we have to share it. Yes or no? You have to share it. And we all must live in peace. We should not fight to each other. They are a Sikh, they are a Muslim, you are a black, I am a white. Like that, we should not differentiate because God created for all same only. God created for all same only. We all are human beings. Only there is a changes is what dressing and languages. But what heart we have, they also have the same heart. Whatever we have the body, that same body they too have. Yeah, my children. So we have to respect other religions, other languages, other castes also. We should not differentiate because we all are brothers. We should live in peace and harmony. Clear children? In your class, I will give the one example of in the class. In your class, there is a numbers of students are there. In that students, you can find some are Muslim people, some are Hindu people, some are Christian people, some are Sikh people. So what you will do in the classroom, children? You will make the friendship with all the classmates. How many students are there in the class? You will make the friendship with all the students. Yeah, no? You will share your food. You will share your notebook. Pencils also sometimes you will give to your friends when he is not good. So numbers of things you are sharing. You are respecting other religions. You are respecting other caste. Yeah, the children, how you will live in the classroom with the respectfully. You are giving the respect for the other people. So like that, we have to respect all the religion. We have to respect all the states. We have to respect all the countries' peoples because we all are same only. So we have to respect each other and we have to live in this world peaceful and harmony. Clear children? So we should not fight to each other. So this is the today's class children. We have discussed about man has changed the face of the earth by constructing, by destroying the trees, mountains. He built the numbers of cities, towns, villages and railway track children. So I hope children you will enjoy this class. So whatever I finished in this video, so based on that I will give the sum 1. So children listen carefully. So whatever work I am giving, this is the middle. This is the middle in the lesson only. In the middle I am giving the some activity for you. So that all the activity you should have to copy down in your EVS notebook. So whatever work I am giving, it is the middle of the lesson only. So write all those things and then send me in the app. So I will give the homework for you children here. I will give the homework for you. So what is the homework here? True or false? First one. Domestic animals live in forest. Domestic animals live in forest. Next one. Planes are very high. Third one. We have only one arm. Next one. Seas contain fresh water. So this is the homework for you children. You have to write in your EVS notebook, write the day and date when this video will go. Unit number write, then write the lesson name, universe, and then start writing the homework true or false. First one, domestic animals live in forest. Planes are very high. We have only one earth. Seas contain fresh water. Okay children, these are the homework. And the same thing I will continue in the next class children. Thank you.